All right, let's talk about number 12. Number 12 is a very difficult problem. There's a problem very similar to this on your test. It's multi-step, okay? So an 18,000 gallon pool is being filled at a rate of 30 gallons per minute. At this rate, how many minutes will it take to fill this pool 3/4 full? 3/4 full. So we know the whole entire pool is 18,000 gallons, but we only want to fill it 3/4. So we need to split up 18,000 gallons into fourths. Well, we could multiply 18,000 times 3/4 because that's how you find a fractional amount of a number. We've done that. 3/4 of 18,000. You could do it that way. 3/4 of 18,000. Well, we can't do that, right? Because what do you have to do? You got to put a 1 underneath there. Of, and I know that I've talked about it in class multiple times, just means to multiply. So let's just do it this way, okay? So just multiply the bottom. That's 4 times 1 is 4. And 18 times 3, I'm only going to do 18 times 3. Well, 18 times 2 is 36. 18 more than that is 46, 54. So 54 and then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So then we have to turn that into a mixed number. 54,000 divided by 4. 54,000 divided by 4. Let's see here. Subtract 1, bring that 4 down. 4 goes into 14, 6, 5, 4, 3 times? 3, end up with 12. Subtract 2. 0, 4 goes into 20. 5, end up with nothing left over. But we still have these 2 zeros that we have to divide into. So 4 goes into 0, 0, and 4 goes into 0, 0. So 3/4 of that pool is 13,500 gallons. We are not done. This is a difficult problem. So we need to completely fill that up. We have gallons. We get a different color so it sticks out. We have gallons and we have minutes. So how many gallons can it fill up? It can do 30 gallons in 1 minute. So how many gallons do we need? We need 13,000. We need 13,500. So you would then cross product and divide. Obviously, that's 13,500. And then you would divide by 30. Where am I going to do this? I'm running out of room. I'm going to do this up here. 13,500 divided by 30. 30 goes into 1, 0. 30 goes into 13, 0. 30 goes into 135. I know 30 times 4 is 120. So it's got to be that. Not an easy problem. I get it. Some of you are already like, what? I can't do that. Yeah, you can. Just do one thing at a time. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 30 times 5 is 150. Got a 0. Bring that 0 down. 30 goes into 0 0 times. So, at this rate, how many minutes will it take to fill this pool 3/4 full? 450 minutes. That's right here. 450 minutes. So when you get to the problem that's similar to this, first multiply whatever the whole number is times the fraction, then do your proportion. Okay? If you get this one right, that's just bonus, man, because a lot of people are going to get this one wrong because it really is tough. So just take your time, multiply the whole number by the fraction, then do your proportion. Number 13. If these two shapes are similar, what is the length of B? B is right there in yellow. It looks like it's a 6, so actually there may be a typo in this problem. I'm not sure. So you got to see what matches. So this one we have A. This is triangle A, B, C. This triangle over here is X, Y, Z. So what that means is line AB and line XY are going to be corresponding. AB and XY. There we go. We have a small triangle and a large triangle. Small triangle, large triangle. AB on the small is 4, XY on the large is 5. That also means, let me get a different color. BC and YZ will also correspond. BC, YZ. So BC is on the small triangle, that is the B. And YZ is, I think that's 7.5. 7.5. So now we can just set up the proportion. It's already done. Cross product and divide. 75 times 4 with 1 decimal point. Well, that's 20. 4 times 7 is 28, 29, 30. There we go. So we have 30 with that 1 decimal point. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6. I wonder if that's actually a 6 right there. That could be. It may just give you the answer. So the side BC is 6. All right, last one. Last one. I'm going to erase a little bit of stuff here so you can see. This is important. It's a reading question. Okay. Look at the picture below. You've got a tree with a shadow and a wall with a shadow. So we're having to find out how tall that tree is first. Well, if you just look at the shadow, it went from 6 to 24. That's times 4. So then the height is also going to be times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So the height of the tree is 16, but the question says how much taller is the tree than the wall? Well, the tree is 16. The wall is 4, so 16 minus 4 is 12. If you study this, you'll be good to go on your common assessment. You'll have it either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, depending on who your teacher is, so just pay attention to Schoology.